This is our 300-foot range digital wireless receiver for any V3 camera system, SKU 87604. Compatible with any of our V3 cameras, this receiver will connect to any wired monitors. From our newest AHD 1080p screen to our oldest monitors, the ones we put out back in 2004. This receiver will allow you to take the unprecedented 300-foot digital wireless range of our V3 product line and connect it to any screen, even one that you bought from someone else. Pairing is simple. We even give you a 3-minute video showing you how to do it, as well as colorful instruction manuals and diagrams. Compatibility is guaranteed. With a tap of a button, you will toggle between resolution modes to get the best picture for your screen. This receiver will connect to any standard 4-pin aviator connection, as well as the classic RCA sockets. Manufactured with commercial-grade reliability in mind, this digital receiver guarantees an interference-free digital wireless range, no matter how many receivers you have in your system or in your fleet for that matter. Remember, if you need any extra help, we back you up with our American-based tech support. Don't forget to check out our over 2,400 verified 5-star reviews on Trustpilot. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Safe travels!